This is a quick tutorial that will show you how to unsubscribe from unwanted email lists. In this video, I will show you 3 different methods that you can use to unsubscribe from emails that you no longer want to receive. Method 1. On your computer, go to Gmail. Open an email from the sender you want to unsubscribe from. Next to the sender's name, click Unsubscribe or change preferences. Follow the instructions on the screen to confirm that you no longer want to receive emails. Method 2. If you don't see the option to unsubscribe at the top, click on the arrow that shows the details. You will normally see an option that says Unsubscribe from this sender. Click on it and follow the instructions to confirm that you no longer want to receive emails. Method 3. In the event you tried using methods 1 and 2 and you did not get the option to unsubscribe, scroll to the very bottom of the email and you should see the option to unsubscribe from there. Once you click the link to unsubscribe, follow the instructions to confirm that you no longer want to receive emails. Please note it may take a few days for the emails to stop after you unsubscribe. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to use my professional services as your inbox manager, click the link in the description to learn more. Thank you.